Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Komal Manjit. So today I am going to recycle thermocol plates and plastic bag. So we all know that the single-use plastic is really very dangerous for environment. So if you have thermocol plates and plastic bag, then instead of throwing outside, recycle it. Cut thermocol plate and plastic bag into a small pieces and mix a 3 tablespoon glue in it. Add 4 tablespoons of wet soil into it and mix it well. Now your plastic dough is ready. Make 2 big size ball and 2 small size ball of it. The big size ball is for face and stomach and the small size ball is for leg. With the help of glue, paste all these balls into sequences. Apply glue water mixture on it and wait for 3 hours. Apply paint on it and your plastic Santa is ready in this Christmas. Hope you liked my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting the latest update of my video. Thanks for watching. Wish you all Merry Christmas.